Hi, in this session we're going to learn about the various arithmetic operators provided by the Python language. Python language provides you 7 arithmetic operators. They are plus for the addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication. We have two division operator, single slash which is called as true division, also called as floating point division, and then we have double slash which is called as floor division, also called as integer division. We have the modulus operator and we have the double star operator which basically performs the exponential. Now let us try to look out about each of these operators. The plus symbol performs the addition, like for example 5 plus 2 is 7. The same way minus operator performs subtraction, 5 minus 2 is 3, and asterisk symbol performs the multiplication, 5 into 2 is 10. Now with regard to division, we have seen that there are two operators, single slash and double slash. Now let us try to see, okay, what is 5 divided by 2. Now if you observe the data type of both the operand, that is 5 and 2, the data type is integers. So if you have worked with this kind of statements in other languages, if both the operands are integer, by default division is to perform an integer division and the result is to be 2 and not 2.5. Whereas in Python, even if both the operands are integers, if you use this symbol, it will perform floating point division. So the answer will be 2.5. If you want to perform floor division, or you can say integer division, so in that case we have to use the double slash operator wherein it will perform integer division. The modulus symbol basically gives me the remainder. 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is 1. So you can just see 5 mod 2 is 1. Now the modulus operator can be applied on floating point values also in Python. Like for example, I'd like to write 5 mod 1.5. 1.5 one side 1.5, 1.5 2s are 3, then 1.5 3s are 4.5. So the remainder is 0.5. Even the numerator can also be floating point. Like for example, if I had just 7.5 mod 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, and the remainder is 1.5. So you can just observe. So modulus operator can be applied even on floating point operation. Now the next operator is your double star operator, which is exponential. So 5 to the power of 2. So 5 power 2 is 5 square, which is 25. So if you want to perform 5 to the power of 3 is 125. That's about the various arithmetic operators provided by Python language. Now you can combine multiple operators in a single expression. Like I can just write 5 plus 2 into 3. So you can just observe that I have two operators and three operands in a single expression. To evaluate this kind of expressions which involves multiple operators, there is a rule of precedence in Python. It guides the order in which the operations are performed. For example, you have 5 plus 2 into 3. So you have the plus symbol as well as the multiplication symbol. If you see the precedence of these two operators, the plus and multiplication, multiplication has higher precedence when compared to plus. So multiplication, that is 2 into 3, will be done first. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Right? Okay. Now let us study a little bit about precedence of various arithmetic operators. Among the various arithmetic operators provided by Python, the exponential operator has the highest precedence. Then comes your multiplication, division, and the modulus. These operators have the same precedence. And at the lowest precedence, we have the addition and subtraction. Now, many times we try to relate this with BODMAS rule, that is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. But one difference between the BODMAS rule and the precedence followed by Python or any other programming languages is there we say that division has higher precedence when compared to multiplication, but here division and multiplication has the same precedence and the association is left to right. Like for example, we perform 10 divided by 3 into 3. Now both these operators, division and multiplication, they both have the same precedence, and if you move from left to right, division occurs before the multiplication. So 10 divided by 3, which is integer division, the result is 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. Whereas I'll try to do small variations out here. I'll try to write 3 into 10 divided by 3. So here multiplication has higher precedence compared to division because multiplication is coming first if you move from left to right. Let me repeat. Multiplication and division has the same precedence, but associativity is left to right. So if you move from left to right, multiplication is occurring before division. So first thing what we perform out here is multiplication. 3 into 10 is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So here we basically learnt about the various arithmetic operators provided by the Python language and also looked into the precedence of operators. In the later sessions, we'll study about other operators like relational and logical operators. Thank you.